Bite the bullet, meaning to endure something painful or unpleasant, often because it's necessary. Example: I hate going to the dentist, but I'll have to bite the bullet and make an appointment. Break the ice, meaning to initiate conversation in a social setting and make people feel more comfortable. Example: at the party, he told a joke to break the ice with the guests. Hit the nail on the head, meaning to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Example: you hit the nail on the head with your suggestion for solving the issue. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Example: I've given you all the information, now the ball is in your court. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret or disclose information unintentionally or intentionally. Example: she accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Under the weather, meaning feeling ill or unwell. Example: I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I might stay home. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Example: I had to burn the midnight oil to finish the project before the deadline. Beat around the bush, meaning to avoid talking about the main point. Example: stop beating around the bush and tell me what you really think. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning to accidentally reveal a secret. Example: he let the cat out of the bag when he mentioned the surprise gift. Raining cats and dogs, meaning raining very heavily. Example: don't forget your umbrella, it's raining cats and dogs outside.